Alright, so we're in the garage with the Model Y, and we have a pretty fun upgrade today, which are going to be these door lock and hinge covers from Spigen. So these are just kind of like stick-on covers that make your hinges look better, and the latches here on the locks. So this is the box it comes in. We've got little pictures here in the back. So they are stick-on, and they also have like this little carbon fiber look. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this thing up. So there's a little pull tab on the top. Alright. Okay, so it comes in like in two little holders, and here we have the hinge covers, very nicely presented. Then we got the lock covers. Those just slide out, and that's what they look like. Actually quite nice. Definitely looks quite presentable. And you also do have a little logo here on one of the sides. So on the back, you guys can see we have little stickers here that peel. Double-sided tape looks like. And it's literally going to go around the hinge. Try one out here, just like that. So once you peel that, you can stick it on, and that's what it's going to look like. So it's, a much cleaner look compared to not having it. Doesn't look too bad, but this really, cleans it up, plus covers the bolts. And if we grab one of the door hinge covers, also looks quite nice. So this doesn't have anything, it just clips on. Love the attention to detail. Got the Spigen on the back side there. But yeah, this should just clip on, and that's going to go right here where the door opens up. Should just pop right over. Then this clicks in. There we go. So these are definitely not going anywhere. They're in there very nicely, and wow guys, check it out. Much cleaner look. Not that those you could, really tell because it's all black, but little pieces here, more attention to detail. Looks quite nice. So let's go ahead and stick one of these on. So we're just going to peel the tape, expose the sticky part, just like that, and make sure your hinge is not dirty. Mine looks fine, so I'm going to go ahead and slide this over. And then we're going to line it up here. And then just push on it, and it sticks, and it looks really good. Really like the way it just covers all that silver, and you just have a small piece here. It looks much cleaner. Let's go here to the back and do the same thing. And this one's even more obvious because it's just this thing sticking out all by itself. That should look much better. Then we got this guy too. So all right, so that's what that looks like. Very nice and clean. So it just looks much better, and I went ahead and popped that one on too. So yeah, I'm gonna put the rest of them on the other side. Pretty happy with these little door lock covers that are fun kind of little upgrades to the Model Y. So if you want to get some for yourself, check out the links below. Also check out my other Model Y videos. I'm sure you'll find something interesting there. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.